When you are working on the batteries, you need to observe certain safety precautions. For example, you need to wear glasses or goggles. If you do not, then you could have damage done to your eyes. You must protect your eyes. You only get one pair in this life. Gloves can help to prevent you from getting burnt. You must also use, whenever possible, isolated or insulated tools. These batteries actually come with a spanner that is already insulated so that you can help to prevent short circuits against the chassis. You yourself, however, should remove any metal objects that could come into the contact with the battery. For example, I'm wearing a gold necklace. I also have a ring, and if that was put across a battery terminal, it could remove my finger. Right now we'll give you a little demonstration about the power and the violence through just a fairly small discharge from the battery. This is only a small battery, isn't it, from a radio base station. This small battery has got a 100 amp hour capacity, and it can supply many tens, if not hundreds of amperes, but for a short duration of time. Such currents can melt wires, they can cause large sparks, and they could be very, very dangerous. I'm just going to show you what it can do. This is not going to be anything really spectacular, but please do not try it yourself because this can be very dangerous. So I'm going to take a few little precautions. What I'm going to do is I've taken a piece of coaxial cable. This is the same coaxial cable that is used in radio base stations and switches. And I've connected this coaxial cable to the negative pole of the battery. The other end of this cable is bare, and I'm going to connect that to the positive terminal of the battery, so we'll see a few sparks. Okay, let me protect myself first. Off with the ring, on with the goggles. I've only got one pair of eyes. Pair of gloves. Right, let's connect the coaxial cable to the battery and see what happens. Whoops. Did you see that? There were flames, there was sparks, the cable itself smells, it's been melting. Imagine if this was in your base station. Imagine what would happen if you had big heavy tools shorting the terminals. This could be exceedingly dangerous. This is the sort of power that's available behind these batteries that you will probably be installing.